Hello everyone, this is Surbhi and I am doing MBA from NIT Kurukshetra. I have done a research on the speeches of Prime Minister during lockdown period of COVID-19. This is text and sentiment analysis using R package. So this is the introduction to the topic. Most of the unstructured data comes on social media and especially on Twitter where people across the world share their views on a specific topic. India faced a very bad time when the COVID-19 spread in the country. Due to this virus, the country had to suffer from a lockdown of at least 6 months to stop spreading further. This was the time when the government had done a lot for the country. Being the face for the country, the Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, is expected to do his best efforts to revive the country and best for the marginalized ones. The way he put his words in the Man Ki Baat program every last Sunday of the month is very necessary to study to understand his perception and views towards the current issue. Meanwhile, during the lockdown period, he has done the same to show his concern towards the pandemic. The transcript of speeches was extracted from the official site of the government, Press in Bureau, PIB, which is used in the study. This study is purely based on secondary text data and text mining, as done before doing any analysis. Various word clouds are prepared in the study to analyze the most frequently used word in each month, and the correlation of the most frequent words with other words is also analyzed. The main objective of this study is to analyze the text which is being used in Man Ki Baat program and to understand the viewpoint of Prime Minister towards the COVID pandemic and action plan against the virus. There are various softwares that are available in the market, but I have used RStudio to analyze these speeches. The conclusion of the study helps to study the inference that comes out from the word clouds and sentiment graph of the speeches given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the lockdown period which country has faced. So this is the objectives of the study: to analyze various types of approaches used by Prime Minister in his speech during Man Ki Baat in shape of commonly used words, to find the difference and similarity between various frequently used words obtained from his speech, to analyze the sentiments of the Prime Minister Modi during his speech in a lockdown period. So these are the research methodology that I have used in this study for analysis of speeches of Prime Minister Narendra Modi were gathered during the lockdown period of March to August 2020. The websites of above speeches have been searched to collect the information related to corona pandemic. For a stabilized and representative sample size, the study has chosen different months from the point of view of lockdown period. The word or term frequency and sentiment analysis of web-based lessons are cooked based on the complete speeches using R software and Power BI data that has been gathered from internet. R is the statistical or analytical programming languages comprised of thousands of integrated or unsegregated packages and their several functions. These packages enable to handle huge numerous data, different statistical analysis of data, and have visualization or envision functions. So this is the analysis and interpretation. In Man Ki Baat aired from the month of March 2020 to August 2020, the total word, excluding the punctuations, white spaces, numbers, are 7,170. A total of 7,117 words came from 6 months of Man Ki Baat. The first month, i.e. March, as we can see on the left hand side, we have the table. March contributed 197 words, April contributed 790 words, May contributed 535 words, and so on. So this is the word cloud of March 2020 on the left hand side. As we can see, the bigger size is the most bigger size is of people. So people is used most of the times. Afterward, it's prime lockdown minister. So according to size, it is showing that how many times a word has been used in the speech of Narendra Modi in the month of March. The next word cloud is of April 2020, where Narendra Modi has stressed on the words people, minister, corona, and less on prime, country, medical, personal, working, society, common, governments, and so on. Next word cloud is of May 2020. As we can see now, Narendra Modi has focused on the word pandemic, country, people, yoga, and corona. Now he has introduced yoga as also in his speech. Afterward, he has discussed about the words people, country, pandemic, corona, yoga, again on the same topic, corona. As the country was suffering from the pandemic due to corona, so he was stressing again and again on the corona, yoga, people, country, pandemic, and less on government service, everyone, crisis, and all. Next word cloud is of July, where he has used the words corona, India, people, friends, country, many, today, and less on panchayat, thank, mantra, and all. Word cloud of August 2020. The above word cloud has the most frequent word nutrition, country, during, friends, toys, India, children, student, teachers, make, and Independence Day. The corona word is present with minimum frequency. Also, the word cloud has food, childhood, efforts, and being self-reliance. So this is the combined word cloud of the March to August, where the word cloud contains the highest frequency words country, friends, many, India, corona, country, people, very, today, during. Thus, Man Ki Baat speech contains words focusing on the country, people of India, and corona. So this is the sentiment analysis of March 2020. As we can see that how there is 10% of anger, 5% of anticipation, and then around 5% of disgust. How fear is 15% and joy is around 10%. Again, sadness is 10%, surprise is very less, around 2.5%, and trust is 10%, and so on. This is sentiment analysis of April 2020, where positive is 30% and less are and other are less than 15% or around 15%, including trust, negative, and sadness is very less. Fear is more, fear is 10%, anger is 5%, and so on. This is sentiment analysis of May 2020, where the positive is again 30%, negative is 15%, trust is 15%, around near to 15%, anger is 5%, fear is again around 10%. The sentiment analysis of June is here, where positive is again 25%, the highest one. This is sentiment analysis of July, where positive is again the highest, anger is 5%, very less, fear is around 7.5%, joy is more, sadness is less. This is sentiment analysis of August 2020, which shows same as of previous months. This is overall sentiment analysis of last 6 months. So from here we can see, as we have seen, the positive is above in all graph. So here positive is 30%, the highest one. Anger is very less, around 5%. Joy is around 10%. Anticipation is around 12.5%. Fear is very less, 5%. Sadness is less. Surprise is 5%. And trust is around 15%. So we get conclusion from this that this report contains detailed text mining and sentiment analysis of the Man Ki Baat speech of India's current Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi from March 2020 to August 2020. This analysis was to find the concern of the Prime Minister over Corona, his emotions of words, and approach towards people of India in this crisis. The Prime Minister used more than 30% positive words and his words trusted more than 15% of overall votes. He is having feeling of anger, disgusting words in his speech. The word cloud test analysis shows that the Prime Minister is concerned about their country, people, and their health, which can be seen suggesting yoga and eating habits and hygiene. It has seen that since June, the length of the speech of the Prime Minister had become much larger, which means that at that time he had focused a lot on the current issue of that time. At that time, the coronavirus was also at a very high peak and was spreading much. If their words are understood and then it known that masks are highly correlated with the corona word, the score of apprehension is 81%. The text analysis states that the Prime Minister has shown his concern over wearing a mask, being vigilant, and maintaining hygiene. When his 6 month speech was understood, it was seen that the word cloud contains the most noteworthy recurrence of the word country, friends, many, India, corona, countrymen, people, very, today, during. This Man Ki Baat speech contains words zeroing is on the country, people of India, and corona. His half-year speech analysis of the Man Ki Baat from March 2020 to August 2020 uncovers that the respectable leader has utilized by and large over 30% positive words in his disclosure of Man Ki Baat. His discourse is brimming with words loaded with trust, over 15%, satisfaction, and expectation words are in equivalent number. The association of coronavirus with words used in his speech expresses his interest and concern over corona. As the correlation value of the corona word with other words used in his document are as high as 80%, almost every word is associated with the coronavirus, and hence it concludes that the Prime Minister's Man Ki Baat in 6 months from March 2020 to August 2020 was centric to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.